अच्छा, आप बोल रहे थे कैलकुलेशन में कीज है. व्हाट आर द कीज इन कैलकुलेशन?
Like in Dasha, as you know, in Dasha there is a Mahadasha and Antardasha. Mahadasha and Antardasha, both period will be exchanged. Suppose in Jupiter, the Saturn goes 2 years, 8 months, 11 days. Same reverse Saturn to Jupiter also 8 years, 2 years, 8 months and 11 days. That indicates that both will give same result. In Jupiter, whatever the result Saturn will give, then later Saturn Dasha will come. In Saturn, Jupiter also will give same result. And by Kundi also will judge that from Jupiter, however, what position Saturn has placed, just reverse it will be the reverse position. Likewise, suppose Jupiter to Saturn is third, so from Saturn to Jupiter is 11. 311 is a combination. 6, 8, 311, Kendra. And
So you're saying while preparing horoscope by hand, doing the calculation by hand, these clues you get.
people will get such a clue by this only. Like while we are casting the horoscope, we say at the time of birth, whatever the rising sign on the east will be Lagna. So it means all the stars rise in the east. And you know, in the Asta, every planet is in west, they all rest. So by calculation only you will know the keys of the prediction. That is why previously the calculation was given the 100% result. First you learn calculation, then only. Vakri, Margi, all prediction you will get only after calculating the calculation of horoscope. Those who are just 20 years of span, those who have come up, they all come up with the software. So they don't know the basic calculation. So they lack somewhere. And after 10, 15, 20 years, they will come to know that this, they know this as a key, but we are using from the beginning. So this is as I think that the calculator is a core part of it.
So when you were speaking about calculation, you were speaking about retrogression. Okay. Speed of planets. How to use it in prediction or to analyze?
See, there are three speeds: Margi, means motion, retrograde, and Stambi. People don't think about the Stambi. Planet.
That means stationary.
Stationary. It is 3 days. Saturn is the only highest planet which stagnant for 3 days. What will give the result of the 2 house? Saturn is covering 10 house in your only. 2 house it is owner. One house place. 3 place it is aspecting, and 4 place it is a Karaka. 10 house. 1, 2 here and there, but 10 house it will affect. If it is stagnant, then that house which is affecting by lordship, by Karaka, by sitting or by aspecting, it will stop the result. So Saturn Stambi, very good result. I found very good result. In retrogression, see, that is also part of calculation. If you know that because of the sun motion, the planet get retrogression. When they go against the sun direction, it retrograde. Same result is in the interpretation. When the planets are retrograde, they are giving limitless result. Because sun has limited everyone. Like in the head person of your house will limit. You have to do this work, you have to do this work, you have to do this work. All the house members are same. There is a family of sun. It has given all the work assigned to all the planet. You do this, you do this. When some planet is retrograde now, he will challenge the lordship of Surya. He will challenge the lordship of Surya, and he will go, I will not listen to you. I give whatever I want to give. That is why retrograde planet as a Chandubai, because he has taught me that.
C.S. Patel.
C.S. Patel. C.S. Patel has taught that retrograde planets are more powerful. See, till that people are considering it's bad. Why bad? Because it's only cross the limit. But it is good. When Jupiter is retrograded, it will give you n number of results. Why you are limiting him? By Margi. So Margi means he is following the sun path. Retrograde means he is following his own path. And Stambi means he is in the junction, 4 crossroad. Because from Margi to Vakri, retrograde to motion, people get stagnant, planet gets stagnant. And from motion to retrograde, both the side, he has to wait for the way. So whenever Saturn is Stambi in your planet, in your Kundli, that 10th house will carry out automatically.
I have a stupid question to ask you. It could be a stupid question. Normally in India, when we're discussing astrology or somebody comes to us, we don't have a computer or a software. Nowadays people have.
Yeah.
But I'm saying 10 years back when I
Yeah, but
started.
all
Yeah,
you have
we are just
many
sitting
people.
like right now. We are at the tea stall and we are discussing. So you will show me your horoscope. In your horoscope, or in somebody who is showing me the horoscope, I'm just seeing the Rashi chart. Okay, I'm not seeing the degree or
No,
there's
man.
nothing. Nothing is there. People just discuss the Rashi chart, which is unlikely for the current modern man. But in the Rashi chart, how do I find out a planet is stationary or Stambhi?
Yes, it can be find out. See, that is the beauty of the calculation. If any planet is placed 5th, 6th, it's a degree gully, but degree you don't know. Then you see the from sun, whichever the planet is placed 6, 7 and 8. From 8, if it is placed 8, there is a chances of stagnancy. Any planet placed from Surya to 8th house, it is a stationary. It's an indication of it is
Usually it is 5th to 9th, right?
No.
5th to 9th is no.
210, 120 to 210, 6, 7, 8. See, degree sun also moves something.
Yeah.
So sometimes it is 5 to 9,
Okay.
but it is 6 to 8. Because 6 to 8 is just a reverse part of the earth. So planet go behind the earth, it doesn't see.
So which planets 6, 7, 8 we should observe?
6, 7, 8. If Saturn is placed 8 to sun, then
Chances.
that Saturn is stationary. And in his life also, if you find that he will be doing effortless job, he'll never put any efforts. He'll get everything automatically. That is the indication. So by calculation, you will find that if Mercury, Venus, both are fitted 4th to sun, it is impossible. 4th, but sometimes it
Yeah, in Chandrakala Nadi there is a verse
Yeah.
which mentions that 4th. Yeah, I know that.
So if it
I had
is
worked with
placed-
Patel Sahab on that.
So it's all come from Patel Sahib only. So if it is 4th, that means it's coming from retrogression to motion. So it won't give the result. I've seen the businessmen who have 4th, Sun to Mercury 4th, they fail in business because Mercury stands, unable to take decision. So only Saturn in the stationary is the good result. Rest all planets very well. Because Mercury for the hours, few hours it becomes stagnant. Then it will start motion. It's the fastest planet. And such like our mind also. Mercury is a mind, application of mind. Our mind stuck for a while, but our deeds stuck for many years. So that is certain.
So if I was to simplify it, I know Jyotish cannot be so simplified, it depends on every horoscope different. If I was to simplify it, a planet which is stationary, will it give good results or bad results?
Only Saturn. Only Saturn gives good results. Rest all are not giving good results. Only Saturn. Because Saturn is we call it is a very slow moving planet and not giving planet. As such in the Indian mentality people think not giving result. So better no. We become stagnant. See when in childhood we are playing that statue game. When we statue someone, somebody will still will not give result. As he is making our hardship to us, Saturn is making hardship, you are making him statue. It is good, no? So 10th house is carried out by nature. So that is why only Saturn. Rest all the planets, if they are stagnant, it is very hardly to find out because even the software cannot detect Mercury and Venus, whether they are motion, they are stagnant or not. So it is very difficult. But Jupiter, yeah, whenever Jupiter is retrograded, now market gets stagnant.
Yeah.
Finance, people flow will stagnate. So you must see during coming years when it is retrograde.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dharmesh Bhai. As usual, we are at the tea stall and we finish our astrology discussion. Thank you.